All right, what's up? We are here at TRS. I'm here with my man Val from Overlit Customs, and today we have our friend Juca's headlights on the table, and Val is going to be giving these the VIP treatment for our man. And what are we doing with these, Val? We got a whole variety of products from TRS that are going inside of these headlights, and they are just going to be complete game changers compared to the factory setup. Not only in terms of the way it looks, but I would say in terms of the way that it performs as well. So to give you guys a little bit of a teaser on what we're going to do to these lights, we have a few products from Profile Performance and Morimoto. Morimoto is going to be providing the Bi-Xenon projectors, which will replace the stock old school Hella projectors that BMW spec'd in these headlights. The performance from those projectors are going to be far superior than that of the original equipment setup, even though the original equipment setup was considered high-end for its time. These are going to be much brighter, wider, and provide a much crisper beam of light for Juca while he's cruising around the middle of Mexico at night. In addition to that, we're going to go with the Profile High Lens. It's a dedicated LED high beam projector. It looks pretty sick. It's got a multi-lens projector on the front of it. It's super, super bright. It will definitely help supplement the already intense output from that Morimoto Bi-Xenon that's going in the low beam position. So to spice it up a little bit, we did a custom lens etching on the projector with his logo, which looks pretty sweet. Just kind of personalized the lights a little bit further for our dude. And then in addition to that, we have the Morimoto XPT Bluetooth app, which you can see running here on this iPhone. It has a variety of different functions, but ultimately what it does is it will allow him to control all of the functions of these new halos that we're putting in. So these are the Profile Prism Halos, undoubtedly the most powerful, brightest, and most reliable halos on the market today. They're capable of producing a pure white light, so when he's cruising down the road and wants to be completely street legal, good to go there. And have a variety of other cool functions, fade, strobe, pre-programmed patterns, you name it, so he can set it to whatever his mood entails that day. But this is just a little preview for the lights. Again, I want to thank Val from Overlit for being on the scene and working on the lights for our guy. We definitely are sure they'll come out pretty sick, and excited to see how they look when all finished up.